Hello everyone! Today, we're focusing on effective back workouts you can do from the comfort of your home. Strengthen your back muscles and improve posture with these simple yet powerful exercises. Unlock the power of a strong back with our comprehensive gym workout tailored to target and fortify your posterior chain. A well-structured back workout not only enhances your posture, but also supports overall strength and functional fitness. Begin with a dynamic warm-up to prime your muscles and prevent injuries. Incorporate exercises like deadlifts, bent-over rows, and lat pull-downs to engage the entire back, from the lower erectors to the upper traps. Focus on proper form and controlled movements to maximize muscle activation and growth. Supplement your routine with accessory exercises such as face pulls, single-arm dumbbell rows, and hyperextensions to ensure balanced development. By consistently challenging your back muscles with progressive overload and varied exercises, you'll build a resilient, powerful back that supports all your fitness goals. Elevate your fitness journey with a dedicated back workout at the gym, designed to enhance strength and stability. Begin with a thorough warm-up, including light cardio and mobility exercises to prepare your back muscles for the workout ahead. Focus on compound movements such as pull-ups, barbell rows, and seated cable rows to target multiple muscle groups and build a solid foundation. Integrate isolation exercises like lat pull-downs and dumbbell shrugs to emphasize specific areas and refine muscle definition. Pay attention to maintaining proper form and a full range of motion to prevent injuries and optimize results. Finish with a cool-down routine that includes stretching and foam rolling to aid in recovery. With consistency and dedication, this back workout will help you achieve a powerful, well-defined back, enhancing both your physical appearance and overall performance. Transform your physique with a powerful back workout at the gym, designed to build strength, enhance posture, and prevent injuries. Start your session with a dynamic warm-up to increase blood flow and activate your muscles. Incorporate foundational exercises such as deadlifts and T-bar rows to target the major muscle groups of the back, promoting overall strength and stability. Add variety with pull-downs, inverted rows, and cable face pulls to engage the lats, rhomboids, and traps from different angles. Focus on maintaining a controlled tempo and proper form to maximize muscle engagement and reduce the risk of strain. Round out your routine with targeted movements like back extensions and dumbbell pullovers to ensure a balanced workout. By committing to this comprehensive back workout, you'll build a robust and resilient back that supports your entire fitness regimen and daily activities. Elevate your fitness routine with a specialized back workout at the gym, crafted to develop strength and muscular balance. Kick off your session with a dynamic warm-up, including light cardio and mobility drills, to prime your muscles and joints. Focus on compound exercises like barbell deadlifts and bent-over rows to build foundational strength and target multiple muscle groups. Incorporate isolation movements such as lat pull-downs, seated cable rows, and single-arm dumbbell rows to hone in on specific areas for balanced muscle development. Emphasize proper form and a controlled pace to maximize effectiveness and prevent injuries. Finish with a cool-down phase, including static stretching and foam rolling, to enhance recovery and flexibility. By consistently following this well-rounded back workout, you'll develop a stronger, more defined back, supporting better posture and overall physical performance.